No be mistake.
Yes, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location and for the watch this video. My name is Chairman Apostle Alfred or John Oyinusa. The man with the talk am, the show am, the do am as to the be the leader of Team Go and Verify. We carry waka come back to the ongoing construction of Polaku-Sabagreia Road. When it be say His Excellency Ambassador Bishop Dr. Doyediri dey do for the good people of Bayelsa. I really dey impressed with the progress of this work. Now the bridge section we did so. We go waka go front, make una see work where they go on for this place. The company where they handle this job now Xerox Construction Limited. Now them they handle this project. Guys, you can see work at this side. Work they go on. Now the bridge section now we did so. Work they go on massively. We want to say all thanks to Dr. Doyediri. We are lovers of good governance. Now make our community day good with positive narrative. Now we day after. You get it now, beg. Irrespective of our political affiliation, make we come together, make we unite to promote our state on a positive light.
Doyediri suwe me governor, no be mistake. Doye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Lawrence Orijagbo suwe me deputy, no be mistake. Nana way down.
Mr. Emmanuel Sovio from Xerox. This is a Sabagreia Opolako Road, 4-kilometer road and 200-meter bridge. In this Sabagreia side, 90% of the road have been done. Stabilization, sand filling, and stone base. We are just waiting for only the asphalt, which is very soon. We'll put on the asphalt. And the Opolako side, which is about 2 kilometers there, the sand filling is 100% complete. We are just waiting for stone base and stabilization and stone base and asphalt. The only area we have work now is the bridge, which is ongoing on now. If you can go to the bridge, we see the pipe cap is already been taken care of, and the pillar to rise the pillar up and the iron work, everything is already be going on well there.
Doyediri suwe me governor, no be mistake. Doye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Lawrence Orijagbo suwe me deputy, no be mistake. Nana way down. Jehovah get over. Nana way down.
And this is the pipe cap.
If you believe there is
the one that is left. You just only that two. And within the next 2 weeks time, we are done with the pipe cap.
Doyediri suwe me governor, no be mistake. Suwe me governor, no be mistake. Nana way get over.
Let's move.
Jehovah get over. Fere. Muda pia sifa. Vale los mudos babo. No me dice que va. Mene muda pia simo. La simo. Pero que me tola para.
Anak.
Nana wake up.
Yes, as you can see, it's only this two that is left, the pipe cap, and this one, the work is already be going on. By next week, we'll kick off that one, which is the only one that is left for the pipe cap.
Guys, you can see workers this side, work they go on. God bless Bishop Dr. Ambassador Doyediri. The man will be say they work for the interest of the people, and Xerox Construction Limited now then they handle this job. Look at workers, see material. With this inside river there, so I dey on top of badge for inside river. So you know if you talk say oh na Photoshop, nobody this side. Work they go on. Thank you, His Excellency. So guys, you can see the video. I am not an enemy of progress. I am just a man who wants a better society and a better Nigeria. And they talk as they be, and they show up as they be. At the end of the day, go and verify. God bless you.
Doyediri suwe me governor, no be mistake. Doye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Lawrence Orijagbo so when me deputy no be mistake. Nana way dovara. Jehovah get dovara. Nana way dovara. If you believe there is God, don't challenge his will. He has put a stamp on it, you better.